Hello guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to trade Bitcoin on Bybit crypto exchange. So guys, Bitcoin is a form of digital currency that use blockchain technology to support transactions between users on a decentralized network. So guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin on Bybit exchange, the first thing you will do is this: you will register on Bybit Exchange. So guys, you can use my invite link in the description to register. After your registration, you will do KYC. After your KYC, you will buy USDT stablecoin. So guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin on Bybit Exchange, the first option is this: buy low, sell high. Meaning anytime Bitcoin is down, you buy Bitcoin. When Bitcoin blasts off, you sell Bitcoin. So guys, you can take advantage of the current price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is over $80,000. If you buy Bitcoin now, when Bitcoin skyrocket to over $100,000, you sell Bitcoin. So guys, the current price of Bitcoin is $83,070. Bitcoin is up 6.17%. So guys, on the Bybit exchange platform, you click on markets. When you click on markets, you will see BTC/USDT. You click on it. So guys, make sure you have USDT in your spot wallet. You click on buy. So guys, we are buying Bitcoin very low. Yeah. So guys, you type the amount of USDT you want to use to buy Bitcoin. You will join the queue. You will join the queue. The green part of the spot trade is the queue. So guys, you will join the queue. You can overtake the queue if you want to. You type the amount of USDT you want to use to buy Bitcoin. $10 will buy 0.000120 Bitcoin. So guys, buy low, sell high. When Bitcoin is high, you can sell Bitcoin. The second option to trade Bitcoin on Bybit exchange is futures. So guys, if you are trading futures, if you click on long, you are saying Bitcoin will go up. If you click on short, you are saying Bitcoin will go down. So guys, if you click on long, you join the queue, you buy some quantity of Bitcoin with your USDT. If you click on long, you are saying Bitcoin will go up. If you click on short, you are saying Bitcoin will go down. So guys, this is how to trade Bitcoin on Bybit exchange. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.